Hi, I'm Jim Monk and welcome to How to Locate Cheap Female Car Insurance. I'm really excited to be sharing this information with you, and I'll tell you a little bit about it in just a couple of minutes. So you may be wanting to know what this video is about or what you're going to be discovering in this video. And we've put this little video together to share 7 tips from the cheap car insurance for females, or how to locate cheap car insurance for females. Number 2 is what to do once you have that information. And number 3 is what you should be thinking about when you're out there actually purchasing car insurance for yourself. So you might be asking yourself, who am I? Well, I've been in the insurance industry for over 10 years. I've had the experience and pleasure of working with thousands of families, and have been able to not only work at the dinner table, but work with thousands of insurance agents out there, like myself. And so what I wanted to do is share some of the information and some of the questions that we are constantly getting out there in the marketplace. So when you're looking to find cheap female car insurance, it's most important to many consumers and to you that you find a reputable company that you can have your policy with, your vehicles with, that will cover you when you need it. Fortunately, there are many things that you can be doing out there to help lower your premiums and allow you to find that cheap female car insurance. So let's talk about these things. So number 1 is start shopping. One of the biggest mistakes most consumers make when they're out there purchasing car insurance and car insurance policies is first they go with the company the first company they find. So it's critically important that you're out there and you shop around and to find the best rate for yourself. So that's number 1. Number 2 is a great way to get cheap car insurance premiums is by raising your deductibles if you're willing to pay for those. By raising your deductible from $500 to $1,000, you can lower your premiums as much as 40%. And that can be very significant to a lot of people. Number 3, another thing that you can do, an easy way to get cheap car insurance is by combining your auto and your home policy, or auto and your renter's policy. Many companies out there give breaks to consumers or to customers that insure their home and their vehicle through the same company. So be aware of that, and so that might be the first place you call. Number 4, and this is an important one as well, is manage your commute. If you can do that, that's critically important. It has been statistically proven that if you're driving a long distance, you're at greater risk or greater odds of having an accident. So if you can manage your commute, manage those meetings, and stay close to your home, then what you're going to find is the rates are going to be lower for you. So that's something to consider. Number 5. Number 5 here is going to be focus on your credit. Surprisingly, credit scores today are an important factor. So one of the things I recommend is, in many states it's allowed, is to focus on your credit. Make sure that your credit score is of a good level, because that will impact your premiums. Number 6, if you own an older vehicle, it is that's not being financed anymore, that's not required to have a loan company tell you to carry full coverage on that vehicle, then a great way to get cheap car insurance is by lessening the coverage on the vehicle. You just might not need all that coverage anymore. And lastly, defensive driving. Take defensive driving over several years and you'll see significant discounts from many of the companies out there. So I hope you find this information to be informative. If you need a competitive quote, non-biased, free quote, check out our site, TritusInsurance.com. Thanks again, thanks a ton for checking us out. And additionally, if you want to check out some of our other videos or on insurance questions or topics, again, check us out, TritusInsurance.com. Take care.